Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Maps tracking. If you want Google Maps to stop tracking your location and activity, you can adjust a few privacy settings in your Google account. So keep in mind that turning these off may affect features like personalized recommendations, timeline, and traffic updates. So to start, open Google Maps. Now click your profile in the top right corner. So first make sure you're signed into your Google Maps account. So once you click your profile, right here, click manage your Google account. Now on the left sidebar, go to data and privacy. Now under personalization and activity, go to my activity. Now in here, from the options, you can select timeline. So once you click timeline, you can turn this off. So click turn off button right here. So you can turn off or turn off and delete activity. So if you want to delete the history, click turn off and delete activity. Then scroll down and click next and click delete. So it says here your timeline data will be permanently deleted from all devices where you're signed in. If you have backup turned on for timeline, your backup data will also be deleted. So click delete to confirm the action, and that's it. So click got it. Now let's go back to the last page. So if you go down, you can also click web and app activity. So you can also turn off web and app activity. So just click this turn off button, then choose whether to delete previously saved activity if prompted. And that's basically it. So that's how you can turn off Google Maps tracking. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.